Ever wondered how to achieve that perfect golden crust on your meals without deep frying? Welcome to the world of air frying, a healthier and less messy alternative to traditional deep frying. With air frying, hot air is circulated around your food, giving it that crispy golden exterior we all crave, minus the excess oil and fat. Now, let's introduce a game changer in the realm of air frying, the Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer. This ingenious device takes air frying to the next level, promising the same delicious results as deep frying, but with far less oil. That means you can indulge in your favorite fried foods guilt-free. From French fries to chicken wings, the Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer can give you that irresistible crunch without the added calories. And it's not just about healthier frying, it's about elevating your cooking experience. Isn't that an appealing idea? Let's dive into how to use this fantastic kitchen gadget. So you've got your Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer in front of you. Now what? Well, first things first, we're going to gently remove the air fryer from its packaging. Inside, you'll find a few key components that make this appliance a game changer in your kitchen. First up, we have the basket. This is where all the magic happens. It's designed to circulate hot air around your food, giving it that crispy fried texture without the oil. Next, we have the pan. It collects any excess oil or food particles that fall through the basket, making cleanup a breeze. Now, let's take a look at the control panel. Here you'll find several preset cooking options for popular items like fries and chicken, but there's also a manual mode for those who like to take control. Each part of the Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer plays a crucial role in delivering those delicious, healthier meals you crave. Now that we've familiarized ourselves with the air fryer, let's move on to using it. It's time to put our Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer to the test. Imagine you're standing in your kitchen, the sleek design of the Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer right at your fingertips. Now let's dive into the process of using this culinary gem. First things first, let's set the temperature and time. The controls are user-friendly, making it easy even for beginners. Depending on what you're cooking, the temperature can range anywhere from 180 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. As for the time, that will also vary based on your recipe. But don't worry, the air fryer comes with a handy guide that provides suggested times and temperatures for a variety of foods. Now, let's get to the fun part, placing the food in the basket. Whether you're cooking crispy fries, juicy chicken, or even a tender steak, the process remains the same. However, there's one golden rule you must remember. Don't overcrowd the basket. Overcrowding can prevent your food from cooking evenly, and we're aiming for perfection, aren't we? Once the food is in, it's time to start the cooking process. Simply press the start button and let the magic unfold. The Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer will do the rest. It circulates hot air around your food, achieving that perfect golden crisp without the need for excessive oil. Halfway through, remember to shake the basket. This ensures that every piece gets evenly cooked. Just pull out the basket, give it a gentle shake, and slide it back in. It's that easy. And the best part, thanks to the non-stick coating, cleanup is a breeze. Before you know it, the timer will beep, signaling that your food is ready. Open the basket and behold the feast of perfectly air-fried food before you. Crispy on the outside, soft and juicy on the inside, just the way it should be. And there you have it, perfectly air-fried food, simple and easy. The Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer isn't just for frying, it's a versatile kitchen tool with endless possibilities. Imagine roasting your favorite veggies to perfection, all while using less oil than traditional methods. Picture the golden, crispy exterior of a grilled cheese sandwich, with the inside perfectly melted and gooey. But wait, there's more. This air fryer isn't limited to savory dishes. You can whip up baked goods too. Think of fluffy, golden brown blueberry muffins for breakfast, or a batch of chocolate chip cookies for a late-night treat. And don't forget about meat. From crispy chicken wings to tender, juicy steaks, the results are always fantastic. The beauty of the Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer lies in its versatility. It encourages culinary creativity and experimentation. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or a kitchen newbie, there's always something new to try. So what are you waiting for? Get cooking with the Emeril Lagasse